Ensure the torque setting matches the schematic on screen. Here at Goodwood, the Phantom undergoes its meticulous topcoat preparation, utilizing
Hook the chain on the far side. Got it. Start tightening the binder now.
This selective harvesting process ensures the finest walnut veneers for Rolls-Royce, while maintaining the forest's health for generations to come.
Check the alignment here.
That looks seamless. Hold it steady.
Easy now, bring it down slow, watch the clearance on the spindle.
Okay, centered, lowering now. We are seated.
At Goodwood, the 2025 Phantom space frame is hand-assembled with micrometer precision. Each aluminum node is carefully fitted. Ensure the torque setting matches the schematic on screen.
Confirmed, proceeding with the front mount.
A fraction lower on your side.
Got it.
At Goodwood, the V12 engine is meticulously assembled. The twin turbochargers are hand-installed.
Sequence 16 alpha, all parameters within tolerance.
Confirmed. The torque settings look correct on the main bearing.
Exhaust secured. How are the harnesses looking?
Point values are stable. We are ready for pre-test sequence.
Programming sequence complete on the main ECM.
And we have confirmation. All systems passed initialization.
Guided by these intricate laser patterns, the artisan makes the first cut, ensuring flawless precision for the Phantom's bespoke interior.
At Goodwood, the creation of the headlight is meticulous pro-stress.
All fibers accounted for in this quadrant.
Confirmed. The alignment looks perfect.
Check the left guide.
Looks good.
Confirmed on the tablet.
Here at Goodwood, the Phantom undergoes its meticulous topcoat preparation, utilizing both automated robots and the skilled hands of our technicians.
Check the readings on the rear quarter panel. They're slightly fluctuating.
It's within tolerance.
Here at Goodwood, the 2025 Phantom undergoes meticulous laser alignment to ensure optimal handling and tyre wear.
Go ahead and initiate the sequence. Latching force is optimal. Verification complete.
Thermal scan shows even distribution.
And the system verification is complete. We have a pass.
The isolation here is remarkable. Even at this speed, the V12 is barely a whisper, and the ride remains perfectly composed.
The panel gap here is flawless. Agreed. Tablet readings are all green across the board.
Look here, just below the highlight.
Confirmed. We'll tag this for localized polishing.
The readings are consistent across the assembly. Yes, another perfect verification run.